Thank you for tuning in for the review of the best products available today. These models were chosen from a large variety of products based on their overall performance and review of thousands of consumers that have purchased them through countless hours of research, side-by-side comparisons. It's believed that the following products are indeed the best on the market today. Please take a moment to follow the product links listed below to each product for more information. Sit back and relax while you watch the best highly recommended products for this year.
Arrow's T50 heavy-duty staple gun is the best-selling staple gun of all time. Proudly made in the USA since 1957, the T50 is made with extreme durability, featuring an all-chrome steel housing. All of its parts are hardened in a 1500-degree furnace, so this tool is built with longevity in mind, often lasting our customers decades. With over 50 million units in the field worldwide, the T50 is a favorite among professionals and do-it-yourselfers, and belongs in the workshop of any maker, builder, or crafter. This tool features a high leverage handle, a jam-resistant rear-load magazine, and a staple viewing window. The T50 uses Arrow T50 staples in sizes 1/4 inch up to 9/16 inch. Arrow offers online video instructions for reloading and unjamming this tool. The T50 is ideal for installing insulation, upholstery, general home repairs, and crafts. It's perfect for both casual users and professionals. Thanks for stopping by the Arrow Workshop. Be sure to tag Arrow Fastener on social media. We'd love to see the projects you're working on.